Hi, welcome to another segment on the ways immigration laws affect everyone. I'm attorney Michael Ruttle. It's Friday, April 17th, 2020, and here's the latest. Let's start with the government. The White House released a memo regarding visa sanctions. This has to do with the COVID-19 outbreak and essentially states that if the White House tries to return a citizen of a country due to coronavirus infection, that country will not accept their citizen, the Trump administration can place visa sanctions on citizens of that country, making it difficult for citizens to come to the US. So find out how your country is dealing with individuals returning due to coronavirus. USCIS, the branch of Homeland Security responsible for issuing visa status within the US, has been sued in a class action lawsuit over H1B denials. You might remember last week I discussed that employers were filing multiple H1B registrations online for the same applicant, and they were getting denied without justification by USCIS. Well, USCIS has been sued by numerous individuals and companies stating that those denials were arbitrary and capricious, or another way of saying that it was an abuse of power or discretion. Brand new lawsuit. We'll see how it plays out. Keep following us for more on that. The government again reiterated flexibility when it comes to delays caused by coronavirus. So if you need to file an extension of your visa status, or if you need to leave the country, if you are trying to change your status, but something with coronavirus affects your ability to file on time, USCIS has announced and made even more clear that they will be flexible in a delay or untimely filing. Of course, you must demonstrate that the delay was linked to the coronavirus. And in California, the governor, Gavin Newsom, announced that $125 million will be set aside for undocumented immigrants living in the state as a result of the federal stimulus package that did not benefit undocumented workers without valid social security numbers. More on that next week. So first off, furloughs. If you don't know what a furlough is, it refers to when a person has not been fired, but they've been asked to not come into work. And that has been happening a lot with businesses now because of the coronavirus. So people with H1B visas working for a company are getting furloughed, meaning they're being benched or they're placed on the side. In other words, they're not working. Now, ordinarily, this wouldn't be an issue. However, when you have an H1B visa, the employer is signing documentation with the government that they will pay this H1B worker full-time at the prevailing wage. If the worker falls below full-time or below the prevailing wage, then that can create issues such as having to file an amended petition or terminating employment or whatever. If termination is what happens, then H1B workers have rights. So be aware if your company is going on furlough and you have an H1B visa. Filing for unemployment benefits. All of attorneys are getting asked right now, if I file for unemployment due to this COVID-19, is that gonna affect my immigration status? The short answer is no. Filing for unemployment benefit should not have a negative impact on your immigration status because it does not affect you negatively under what's called the public charge rule. Unemployment insurance is not a means-tested benefit. It's something that people ordinarily pay into, and you only get the benefit when you need it. Stimulus checks are finally getting deposited for individuals who have valid social security numbers. This wasn't only limited to U.S. citizens or green card holders, but anybody with a valid social who filed tax returns last year. So check your bank account to see if that's happening. And lastly, audits. You've heard me talk about something called an I-9 before. That's a form that every business owner is required to have on file for all of their workers to show that that person is authorized to work in the United States. The Department of Labor has been cracking down, and we're hearing about more audits, so where employers must demonstrate that they have verified every one of their employees' authorization to work legally in the United States. So if you don't have your papers in order, you might want to get them in order quickly. And next, firm news. What's happening with Ruttle law? Well, we're still working virtually in compliance with local law. In California, where our main office is, we're still under statewide lockdown, meaning you can only go to the office for essential business. I'm allowed to be in my office for this type of essential business right now. And until those are lifted, we have to work virtually. But we're still available by phone, email, Skype, WhatsApp, what have you. Technology is a beautiful thing. And we're still getting cases approved. In the last month, we've had numerous new permanent residents or green card holders or citizens approved and are now able to stay in the U.S. and pursue their own American dream. We've also added some more pins to the map. Thank you to clients from the United Kingdom, Brazil, Sri Lanka, and a few other places who have joined the Ruttle Law clientele family. Now, what can you do going forward? Well, of course, as we always say, don't wait. Act now. You don't know what's going to happen when policies open up, when immigration is back to normal again. Things might move very, very quickly. So get your documents ready now, get everything translated now, talk to a lawyer if you have questions about your case, and hopefully you found this video helpful. So like this video, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, follow us on Facebook to stay up to date, and share this video with other people who you think might benefit from the information we provide. We update our videos every week, so check out our YouTube channel and stay up to date. Let us know how we can help you. If you have any questions, you know how to reach me. Until next time, I'm Michael Ruttle. Keep climbing that mountain.